Hey there! Welcome! In this quick video, we'll show you how to submit a refund request from your CommPeak account. You will learn how to initiate a refund request and fill out the refund request form. Also, you will learn what to expect after you submit your request. Start by logging into your CommPeak account using your credentials. Once logged in, from the main menu, go to Help and Support and click on Account Refund. On the Account Refund page, click Request Refund to open the refund request form. First, select the reason for your refund. Options include wrong top-up amount, account closure, or you can choose Other and provide a short explanation. Next, select the payment or payments you want refunded. In the corresponding fields, enter the amount you'd like refunded, and specify your refund destination, for example, bank account or PayPal. It's important that you understand that the refund can be sent back to the same method you used to make the original payment. So, for example, if you paid via PayPal, the refund will go to exactly the same PayPal account. Refunds to different accounts or payment methods other than your original payment methods will be declined. Below, you can also add a comment if you'd like. Once everything is filled in, click Submit Refund Request. You'll receive a confirmation email and can track the status of your request on the Account Refund page. And that's it. If you need help at any step, feel free to reach out to our support team via your CommPeak portal. Thanks for watching.